What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Of course, we are out on the KLX today. It is currently about 5:30, almost 5:30, and the sun is going down, so that means it's going to get pretty cold pretty quick. So we are going to take the KLX through the city real quick to get it warmed up. Then we are going to hit the highway for some 0 to 60 runs to see if we improved any with the 13 tooth and some of the EJK settings. After that, we'll go to a lot probably and do the usual shenanigans there. Being a hooligan, doing wheelies, all that fun stuff. With that being said, I hope you guys are having a great day today. If not, I hope this video can lift your spirits a bit, inspire you to have some fun. Right now should be the perfect time to hopefully get some acceleration runs in. The lights on the on-ramp to the freeway should be on, so I shouldn't have to pull over when there's traffic there. I'm thinking that I should get some good results. Like I said, with the EJK settings, it seems to pull harder up top. And in the mid-range. Of course, if I do make any other changes that would affect performance, I will update these 0 to 60 runs in the future, but for now I want to see what KLX will do, because I think there's a big difference from when I first put all the mods on till now. On a side note, it is a nice day here today. You can see all the colors and the leaves and whatnot. Alright. So, we should be pretty well warmed up by now. We're going to get on the highway here, see if we can't get a good run in. And then we'll continue to make a loop, hopefully get 2 or 3 good runs in. But the KLX is feeling good, especially with this colder weather, 40-degree weather. Last 0 to 60 runs, I think we're somewhere around 6.9, 6.8 seconds. We'll see if we can't get a couple tenths off that. Whoa, Morgan 3-wheeler. I've never seen one of those in person. It's pretty cool. Probably cold, but definitely would be fun. That would be a cool vehicle to have, or something like that in this weather, or when it rains, just to have some fun. Alright, we're gonna try and get straight on here. There's a little bit of curve here. That probably will be a good warm-up run. Ah, geez, look at the traffic. Considering that there was a little bit of a turn there. We're going to try that run again, going the other way. Pretty good throttle snap there. I want to say I can probably add a little bit of fuel up top. Geez, Audi R8. Lots of cool cars out today. I kind of want to add a little bit of fuel up top. Seems like it might benefit from that. We'll do a quick 0 to 60 run going the other way. See how it feels. See if it dies out around 8,000 or 9,000. If it does, I'll probably try and add some fuel. GTR. Wow. Man, maybe this video should be called car spotting. So many cars out today. Oh man, I was gonna get a nice look at that GTR. Pretty nice. Launch it! Launch it! Yeah, nice. Here we go. Nice car, man. Pretty cool. Alright, so that was probably a pretty good run right there. Didn't seem to die out too much, but did alright. Throwback to the OG people, if you know what I'm doing right here. That's why you should ride a dual sport, because you can just make your own exit like that. Why go around when you can just go straight to the mall? Security. Perfect timing, huh? Always seems like I get good luck. We're gonna try and let the KLX cool down a bit. Get some running air. I kind of want to add a little bit of fuel up top just to see if it does anything. I think I might. There's a police officer right there, so I guess I won't be doing that wheelie that I thought I was gonna do. I'll just add some fuel. We are now at 2.5 lights on the wide open setting. See if that does anything. Notice that cop there turned his, oops. Notice that cop there turned his vehicle so he could see me. Make sure I get my full stop in here. Alright, look both ways. I see you, cop. I see you looking at me. I didn't do anything wrong, so can keep on going along with your day. Let's see if that extra fuel helped out a bit. Make sure that cop didn't follow me. Alright. Let's get this 0 to 60 run here. Oh, come on. I'm going. Whoa, look at Spirit Halloween here. A lot of traffic. Oh yeah, it is only 2 days before Halloween. So I guess that would explain things. We should have a ride though for Halloween. Looks like they cut the trees up here. picked it up there. Now we are getting places. Alright, one more. Alright guys, I would say that's pretty successful right there. Man, I am loving this thing. Having way too much in the city. Pulling wheelies. Now that I'm getting better at them, that's probably the highest wheelie I've gotten so far in second gear. Now that I've gotten that high and kind of sketched myself out, know how that feels, know where I need to get. So I think we're probably going to get one more 0 to 60 run. We'll cruise through the mall real quick, and then we'll probably call it a video. One more 0 to 60 run, and then we'll take a nice cruise through the mall. Nice relaxing way to finish off the video and just enjoy the scenery. Alright guys. Alright, feeling pretty good. I think the EJK is probably just about perfect right now. The only things I haven't messed with yet are the transition zones, but the other three zones, the green, yellow, and red. So, green I'm at 4. Yellow I am at 2. Red I am at 2.5. Then the transition zones, green, blue I'm at 2. Yellow, blue I'm at 3. And red, blue, I am at 2. So I don't think I really need to mess around with the EJK anymore. The fueling up top feels pretty safe. The bike doesn't feel as strained anymore to be up there. The fueling during acceleration, there's no breaking up, so I think I am good there. Cruising seems to do well. So now we're just going to finish off with a nice little cruise around the mall, go up to the top parking garage, and we'll end this video. But first, let's do a little burnout. Got a big old rooster tail. Just as the sun goes over the horizon. Alright guys, that is probably going to do it for today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. We made some huge progress on the wheelies today. Got some great 0 to 60 runs, I think. Also, share this video to your friends and those who may enjoy it. Smash that subscribe button. We just about hit a quarter of a way to 1,000 subscribers, so that's very exciting. Again, thank you guys so much for the support. It really means a lot. And with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.